Gojo chanting phase Paramita. Is it phase Paramita Pillars of Light when he's casting Reversal Red against Sukuna. It's a full body, right? So the head is pretty small up here. I'll have to zoom in. I might do the eyes like behind him as well. You know, the big eyes that's on the panel. We'll see how we go. So you might need a ruler for that if you want to draw the box, you know. So I'll zoom in just up here. Like I'm right at the top sort of fifth one. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, so right up here. Zoom. Now, so let's try this. So I'm gonna start with his, like, just get his eyebrow in. So it'll just give us an idea of where his head is. Just like a little curved line there. You can add a little section that's pink if you want, you know, his hair color. And then his nose sort of starts going this way. So then his eyelash eye is underneath there. So like just across from this, go the same sort of angle that way. And then we go that way. And then it goes in. I'll add his eyelashes now in a minute, but we'll just get the main sort of shape for his eye here. Like so. And then those eyelashes, so you can add some kind of spikes just up here. You know, of course, if you want to color them purple, you'd have to give some gaps inside. My pen can't do that, so we're just going sort of manga style. And then his eyelid there. And then he does some sort of eyelashes down here as well. Right, so then circle. It's kind of like two lines, they don't really join. They're like that. And we only get one nostril on his nose, like there. And his other eye is this way. And then the eyebrow goes off here. And then his other eye inside. If we can get in some eyelashes in here, we will do our best. And then blue eye in there. Right, so his mouth goes this way, I think. And then there's a little section that's open. And then we go chin. To his jaw, to his ear there. And then we get his cheek on this side. In. Out for his eyebrow. Back up to there. Right, and then we can just see his ear here. He always does like these square, sort of strange ears. And then some ear lines inside. And then his hair. And he does have like some scratches on his face and stuff. He's beat up a bit. And then all those hair spikes. Sticking out. Right, just keep spiking the hair. Right, and then his collar of his neck just here. Right, then we get a neck muscle here, here. Right, and then his kind of back, I think, just comes down from the top of his ear, would you believe? So we'll go bumping this way because we're looking down at him. This is like his trapezius muscle. Then like shoulder goes there. And then his other shoulders out here. Now it's all just colored black, so you can't really make out much anatomy. But if I was a center of a chest, I would be there, like going that way. And the other side of his chest here just goes in. His abs just comes out. Right, so he's holding up 2 fingers just here. So his arm, like his tricep, goes down this way. And then this is the end of his forearm. So it's like his elbow area. And it's just drawn like so, like a bowling pin gets thinner to there. And just the round part of his sleeve is there. You can't see anything else up here really. So we just do palm of his hand, and then the back of the hand. there. Knuckles. Do 3 of them. Like a fingernail in there. And then the other finger in behind it, so it goes up. And then 2 knuckles that sort of bend down. And then his thumb, just kind of square sort of thumb, just sticks up here. And so I guess, like, where would, like, I say his shoulder muscle should be there. And probably like the start of his bicep or something in there. Maybe we get some abs. Okay, so we can just see his waistband then. So it like bumps around here, and then there's like a tied part, and it's just like an ink blob, like a round sort of black shape. Something like that. And then his pants goes that way, and then big baggy pants, like really big. Bigger than you would think. This side goes down. Just all these folding lines, kind of. And then I think his foot sticking out there, or is that Maharaga's chest? It's hard to tell. I'm guessing it's his foot, so it's just like a little triangle sticking out there. I'm not sure if it's all black or if there's like a top part. Unclear. So I'll leave it like that. Right. So is that... Can't see his other arm at all. Well, I'll try those eyes. Might as well. So we're going to draw a box. So it's gonna... We're going to go here. Then we're going to go here. And then we're going to go diagonally behind him. Okay, so that's kind of what we're talking about. And then, so like side of his face will be like in this corner. And then this is his ear then. Just so you get an idea of scale. So then, can you see the other side of his face? No. Okay, so you get one ear and then an eye either side of the legs. So we'll just do that now. Top eyelid line, down, bottom eyelid line. And then the eyelashes, of course. So let's just start spiking some eyelashes. And there's some like down here as well. And then blue half circles. It's pupil. Just there. Then eyebrow. There's like some dots and scratches on his face as well. We're going to do an eye over the other side. And add some spiky eyelashes. Then his iris. Like so. Hope it's helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Bye. Wait, well, there's that pupil in the wrong spot. I'm just looking at this here now. Maybe this one should be bigger. Hope it's helpful.